You are driving along when suddenly your engine starts bucking, misfiring, and you realize you have lost so much power that you can barely climb a simple highway overpass while your fuel gauge drops faster than a lead weight. When you plug in your diagnostic tool and pull the code P0163, you are looking at a fuel injector group G circuit open fault, which is a serious situation that can lead to some major engine damage if you do not handle it quickly. Modern fuel injectors are incredible precision instruments that replace the old sloppy carburetors because they can control fuel delivery down to the millisecond, which is why your truck normally gets such great fuel economy and smooth power. But because these injectors are controlled electronically, the supply voltage has to be absolutely perfect. The letter G in this code is just a designation used by the manufacturer to group a specific set of injectors together, and you will need to check your factory service manual to see if that means bank 1, bank 2, or a specific pair of cylinders. When the engine control module detects an open circuit in this group, it means the electrical path is broken and those injectors cannot fire properly, leading to what we call a lean condition. Running lean is dangerous because it makes your combustion temperature skyrocket, which can literally melt your pistons or valves over time. Since these wiring harnesses are tucked deep into the engine bay where things get scorching hot and vibrate constantly, the insulation often gets brittle and cracks, leading to broken wires or shorts. You need to pop the hood and locate those injectors, then look for any standing water or fluids trapped in the valleys where they sit, because that moisture will eat through electrical connectors and cause nasty green corrosion in no time. Grab your multimeter and set it to the resistance or ohms setting to do a continuity test. You want to check from one end of the circuit to the other. If you see a high resistance value or an open loop reading, you have definitely found a break in the wiring harness. Do not hesitate to use some electrical contact cleaner to ensure your plugs are making a solid connection. If the wiring is pristine and the injectors themselves test fine for internal resistance, you might be looking at an internal failure within the engine control module itself, but 9 times out of 10, this is a mechanical wiring issue caused by the harsh environment of the engine bay. It is a bit of a detective job, but finding that one broken wire can save you from a multi-$1,000 engine rebuild later on. Just be careful around those high-pressure fuel lines and make sure the engine is cool before you start poking around the harness.